Now we will solve our first question, that is 5 minus 3 plus 6. 5 minus 3. Here no lower bits are touching to the answering bar. So, how we can subtract minus 3 here? So, in this video tutorial, we will be deriving a formula to solve all these examples. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great. In today's video, we will be learning one more small friend subtraction formula for subtraction of 3. So, let us get started. Before learning small friend subtraction formula, let me first tell you what is small friend. Any two number, if we add them together, we will get a sum of 5. For example, if we take 3 and 2, if we add them together, we will get a sum of 5. So, here we can say 3 and 2 are the small friend of each other, right? If we want to subtract 3, but we can't do that directly, what we have to do first? We have to subtract 5, then add the small friend of 3, that is 2. Now we got our small friend subtraction formula for 3, that is minus 3 equals to minus 5 plus 2. Let us take one example, that is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Here we cannot directly subtract 3 as no lower bits are touching to the answering bar. Only we have the upper bits available with us, whose value is 5. See, here we cannot directly subtract 3, but we have the upper bits available with us. In these situations, we can apply this formula to solve this sum. So, minus 3 equals to minus 5 plus 2. Our answer is 2. Now, let us solve these examples using the above formula, right? Our first question is 5 minus 3 plus 6. 5 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2, minus 5 plus 2, then add 6. Our answer is 8. Let me first clear my tool. Moving to the second question, that is 6 minus 3 plus 1. 6 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2, then add plus 1. Answer is 4. Coming to the third question, that is 6 minus 3 plus 5. 6 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2, then add 5. Our answer is 8. Let us solve the fourth question, that is 7 minus 3 plus 5. 7 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2 plus 5. Our answer is 9. Our next question is 8 minus 1 minus 3. 8 minus 1, we can directly subtract 1. Then minus 3. Minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2. Our answer is 4. Let us solve the next question, that is 22 plus 5 minus 3. 22 plus 5 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2. Answer is 24. Our next question here is 31 plus 5 minus 3. 31 plus 5 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2. Answer is 33. Coming to the next question, that is 36 minus 3 minus 3. 36 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2. Then minus 3. We can directly subtract 3. Our answer is 30. To the next question, that is 72 plus 5 minus 3. 72 plus 5 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2. Answer is 74. Let us solve the last example, that is 92 plus 5 minus 3. 92 plus 5 minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2. Answer is 94. So when and how we can apply this formula? When we need to subtract 3 but we can't do that, but we have the upper bits available, in this situation so we can apply this formula, that is minus 3 equals to minus 5 plus 2. I hope this concept of small friend subtraction is clear with everyone. If you find this video tutorial helpful to you, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you everyone for watching.